Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Be it MahaShivratri or Holi, Thandai is a popular drink served during these festivals. The refreshing beverage is made with special blend of spices and nuts like almond, fennel, saffron, cardamom and rose petals, etc. These spices gets blended with milk and is served cold. The result is luscious, creamy drink which you are sure to fall in love with. There are two ways to make Thandai. The more traditional way involves making a wet paste of all the ingredients, then mixing into milk and straining before serving. But we will be following the second method, which involves making the masala in a powdered form, which can be used instantly as well as stored for future use. One important tip for making perfect masala is not to overgrind the ingredients, as nuts release oil, so if you overgrind them, you will end up with a butter. So we need to grind the ingredients for few seconds at a time and get a perfect golden coarse powder. I have used rock sugar, but you can use regular sugar as well. Another important tip is that in case you do not have any one of the nuts, you can double up the quantity of the nuts you have and you will still get a perfect Thandai powder ready in minutes. Once we have blended all the spices and the nuts, we will add a pinch of nutmeg, few strands of saffron and a tablespoon of dried rose petals to the powder. Mix them and finally we have our instant Thandai Masala ready. This Thandai Masala can be stored in refrigerator and used for not only making Thandai but various desserts like Thandai flavored kulfi, shahi tukra, kheer, etc. Now let's prepare the drink. For that we need to add 4 teaspoons of the Thandai Masala powder in a jar, the saffron infused milk, a cup of whole milk, thereby diluting it with some water and adding ice cubes because the Thandai needs to be served chilled. This instant recipe of Thandai is a boon for those who are away from home during the festivals of Holi and MahaShivratri. If you too want to add a refreshing touch to your festivities, do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Also, do share with me what are the other recipes you have tried with this Thandai Masala. So dear viewers, hope you liked my today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you for joining me. May Lord Shiva's blessing be upon all of you. Till then, this is Traditional Tales signing off for the day. Har Har Mahadev and Happy Holi.